Guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve hidden messages on ChatGPT. To know how to fix or how to solve hidden messages on ChatGPT app, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps. Here in this page, you'll enter to the window of ChatGPT and you can click. Then you can go to first stop and you can click OK. Not here, we go to first stop. Then you can click on first storage, and here you can click clear cache. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.